What's up guys, so for today's episode we'll be making another tutorial for customized YouTube thumbnail. Here in the screen is the final layout of our customized YouTube thumbnail. Like it? Then hit the subscribe and notification button for more tutorials. Then let's get started. Open your Photoshop and let's create a new project. Just make sure your width is 1280 and your height is 720 and your resolution is 300, and then create your project. So here we can find the paint bucket tool, and then our first will be open our color palette. Wait, I will find the color palette. There, click open and then move tool, and then drag our palette into our project, and then Ctrl T for resize, and let it drag to the side, and then our paint bucket tool and select the color picker into the background of the color palette. So it is a yellow color or dark yellow, and then click OK, and then click to our background, and there the color of our background will be yellow. First, we'll make a shape for the first text, and select the color. The color of the shape will be a dark blue, and then let's make a shape, and then Ctrl T so that we can move it a little bit, and then drag a little bit there. And next will be the horizontal type tool or the text tool. Let's type easy. Okay, let's type easy, and then let's make the color of our text into blue or ocean blue, and then Ctrl T for resize or drag, and then there we can see the contrast of the background and the text. And then let's make it simple. Okay, so drag our text. Okay, there. So for our next shape will be dark red or whatever color is that, and then let's make a shape tool, and then select the color into the palette, the red color, dark red color. Okay, so Ctrl T so we can drag and resize, and then drag our red color into the bottom so that it will be behind the top layer. Okay, drag a little bit. We'll make a text YouTube and resize. Let's place it okay, just a little bit. Okay, there. let's change the color of our text. Okay, wait, let's resize our text. Okay, let's change the color of our text into white. Okay, simple YouTube, right? It's now let's we can see the contrast of our text and size and text and shapes. Next is the white shape. Okay, so let's make a white shape. Okay, so here is we can drag our shape into the bottom of the red shape so that it is uniform, and then this time we'll make a thumbnail text and change its color into that. Okay, and then Ctrl T. Okay, there we can see that simple YouTube thumbnail. It's very beautiful. Okay, the colors are blending. Okay, select all the layers and drag it to the center. Okay, here we'll find the merge. I can't find the merge. Where's the merge? Oh my god. I can't find the merge. Okay, so just Ctrl E so that the our layers will be merged, and then select the stroke. Okay, let's make our size 6. Okay, Ctrl J for duplicate the layer and then drag below, and then the stroke will be black. As you can see, there's a blend. There's a message popping, so I'm sorry guys. And then here we can see the stroke around the shapes, and the last will be the splash brush splash, something like that, or the paint splatter. You'll find the paint splatter that I download later. Download before, and then let's drag it behind our layer, and then Ctrl T for resize. Okay, I'm sorry guys, let's drag it back, and then Ctrl T. Right, you can see the splatter text, the splatter image behind our simple YouTube thumbnail layer. We can duplicate this layer and move so that we can see more splatter background around our text. Okay, as you can see, we'll be adjusting our layer, and then there we can change the color of this layer. Okay, also we can move it to the center, our layer, and then that's all, and thank you.